In this video, we will discuss how integrating SmartSheet with your business's financial accounting software can help you manage your company's finances and profitability. If you're a project manager, accountant, or bookkeeper, you know how challenging it can be to manage finances effectively. Up until now, there hasn't been an easy way to integrate operational processes tracked in SmartSheet with popular accounting software. This has resulted in time-consuming manual data entry, increased risk of errors and inaccuracies, and reduced visibility into financial performance. Most integration and workflow automation tools lack the necessary integration capabilities that you need and still require technical expertise to build and maintain them. The truth is, you just need a solution that allows you to connect seamlessly, right out of the box, without dedicating time or resources with custom coding or APIs. Even though you recognize that an integration can save tremendous amounts of time and money that can be reallocated to focusing on the more strategic objectives and tasks that will push your business forward. When it comes to integrating financial data with SmartSheet workflows, we are the leading SmartSheet partner dedicated to solving this problem for SmartSheet customers. Now, before we get into the details about how we've solved for connecting SmartSheet to your accounting software, it's important to give you some background on who I am. My name is Dan Morales, and I've been using SmartSheet for 10 years. My first exposure to SmartSheet was as a customer, where I created an employee data management solution to keep data synchronized across multiple teams and systems. After implementing SmartSheet for my team, I got to see the huge time and data quality savings and impact it could have, and I've been hooked on SmartSheet ever since. From there, I went on to work at SmartSheet Corporate and Professional Services, where I designed and delivered solutions for customers of all shapes and sizes, all of which share the same vision. There's got to be an easier way to collaborate more effectively and save time. After leading some of the larger scale customer consulting projects at SmartSheet, I aspire to take on a more impactful role where I could apply my insights and make a greater difference. So I joined the team here at SoftwareX to build tools that address some more specific customer problems to help SmartSheet users like you get even more value out of the platform. The SoftwareX Xero Connector for SmartSheet is a product we've developed that allows you to securely and seamlessly connect the financial data from Xero with the operational processes managed in SmartSheet. Technically speaking, this is a purpose-built, no-code, and easy-to-use application designed for any licensed SmartSheet user to intuitively connect data between both platforms. The truth is, connecting financial performance to operational effort is very simple. Let me show you how with the remaining 2 minutes of this video. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go to this URL you see on the screen and click Connect SmartSheet to Xero. From there, follow the on-screen prompts to log in to the SoftwareX app, start your free trial, and then connect SmartSheet to Xero. This connection setup is all about creating that initial handshake between the two platforms so that we can start pushing and pulling data as we want to. One important call out here is that the person creating the initial connection must be a SmartSheet licensed user and have access to Xero. Once that connection has been made, you're then ready to create your first workflow. This workflow screen is where you can begin to make the individual connections between the tables that exist in Xero, such as invoices or purchase orders, and your sheets in SmartSheet. This connection between a table and a SmartSheet sheet is what we call a workflow. Once your workflow is created, you're now ready to collaborate and expand upon your data in SmartSheet. So to summarize, it's very simple to do this. All you need to do is log into your SmartSheet account through the SoftwareX portal, connect to Xero. Activate some of the chosen pre-built workflows that you have or create your own, and your Xero data is integrated with SmartSheet.